Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas. This is Awesome Wood Things, and welcome to another Learn Adobe Now session. Yes, we are going to be covering all things logos, what you should do, what you should not do, what works, what doesn't work. We're going to look at logos, dissect them. You are going to walk away with all kinds of knowledge, and you will absolutely love it. I have my friend here, Al Forte from Odessa Woodworking and Maker Shop. Al, say hello to the interwebs.
Hello, interwebs.
Yeah, Al has agreed to come on and watch the chat for me and make sure I don't miss anything because I have a lot to show you and I cannot wait. Oh, Mitch is here. Hi, Mitch. You'll notice I'm in a different environment. My home office is being renovated. I am building a new desk, YouTube video to come, and putting in hardwood floors. And so I'm looking forward to that. So I have a somewhat different setup here, but hopefully it does not matter. All right, so let's see here. Illustrator. There we go. Now I am going to try and use Adobe Illustrator as a presentation tool because it's really not meant for a presentation tool. But since I love Adobe Illustrator and this is the Learn Adobe Now, that's what we're going to try and do. So, and I've got about 25 slides here, and these are some are gonna go fast and some are gonna go slow. So we'll just see how the pacing is. Ask questions as you go, and as normal, after this session completes, this live session completes, this video will go unlisted on my YouTube channel. If you found your way here through a Facebook post, save that URL if you want to go back and watch it, or if you can only watch part of it live and then you want to watch the rest on the recording, save that URL. Or you can go to my Patreon, Awesome Wood Things Patreon, and give $1 or more, and you'll have the whole back catalog of these live sessions. That's just the way it works. But I'm so excited about this session, I may render a full formal build video, or maybe cut down this footage. We'll see. We shall see. All right, so let's talk about logos. Well, this is what the goal of your logo is: simple, memorable, timeless, versatile, and appropriate. So, yeah, simple. Don't overdo it. Memorable, timeless. Look at this little graph here. 1898 through the present day almost. Look at how many iterations. But Coca-Cola, they nailed it. They nailed it the first time. Love it. So the rest of these slides will speak to these concepts. All right. There are 7 different types of logos in these 3 main categories: words and letters, pictures and symbols, and combination. So there's 2 types here, 2 types here, and then there's three. Now I'm just going to run through the different kinds of logos, and then we're going to get to dissecting them. So buckle up. All right, so here's the first kind of words and letters, and we're going to call these letter marks, or they're monogram type logos. In other words, they're acronyms: HBO, Home Box Office, IBM, International Business Machines, NASA, the National Aeronautical Space Administration Association. So this is a good idea if you have a long, complicated business name that you want to shorten. So these are the letter marks or monogram type logos. And if you want to play along in the chat, if you have any cool examples of what I'm showing, you can mention that in the chat if you wish. So these are the word marks. I'm sorry, the letter marks. Next, we have the word marks. Okay, now this is where you use a font that's appropriate, and you make a killer logo that way. And these are all super memorable type logos. And you can see that they are, simple, memorable, timeless, versatile, and appropriate. Word marks. Okay, so that's two different kinds. Now, see, when I talk about choosing an appropriate font, so here's a law firm, Hardman Law Firm, Hardman Law Firm. Which is better? Is the script pink font better for a law firm, or is the sans serif dark better for a law firm? I'll let you be the judge of that one. But in other words, the fonts must be appropriate to your logo.